Okay, hello YouTube, and I know there is a lot of videos about this vacuum, but now I am taking a break from it, and there is going to be another type of videos. So this is to show how much we can pick up after the mesh test. So full power, and I am going to spend some time vacuuming this. Results are in the timestamp, so you can skip if you get bored. So let's go. it have been? Okay, what it picked up? So usually there is some. This is pretty good actually. Well. So, and what kind of dirt we have? Sorry, my hand. Oh dear. So, fluffy stuff. That's always amazing. How much there is. This was just a stick vacuum. And still, these are those easy to pick up. But there is a lot of grit and sand. So, okay, this video was actually success. And let's go to the ending words. Okay, now comes my opinion about this, and you are not going to see videos about this vacuum for a while, but not because I don't like it, I like it a lot. One thing where it is very good is how light it is to use, because that suction unit is like in the upright lower down, but this is not normal upright, this is cordless, and batteries are there, motor there, so super light for hand, and it works very well on these sack type rugs. Actually it works very well on every kind of type of rugs, and hard floors, very good. I actually just vacuumed my apartment hard floors with it. And yes, I am a bit disappointed about the airflow, I have to say. 30. I was expecting near something like 40, but it still seems to perform well. That is that brush roll is quite beefy for vacuum like this, and the cyclone seems to work well because I have not washed that yet, and it is that filter is still very clean, so that cyclone seems to work very well. It is a bit noisy on the highest power level and a lot of runtime. Yes, and you saw those previous videos of this. So there is a lot of what it can do, but it doesn't replace your means powered vacuum. How Electrolux said that, but I don't believe that, and that is my opinion. But for daily driver, fantastic. So good team with the Eufy. This for the hard floors and carpets, and Eufy for rest of the building. So yes, that was a very well spent 60 euros and this was highest was 600 euros what it costs. So okay, now it's enough about this vacuum. There is another videos to do also, so thank you for your patience. So it's goodbye, and thanks for watching, and goodbye.